Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna try 3 things in this video. First, I'm gonna make French nails without using proper French manicure guide stickers. I'm gonna use something that is not supposed to be used for nail art. Second, I'm gonna soften magnetic gel effect. And I'm gonna try Daiso's flower-shaped magnet to make sliced lemon. I hope it looks like lemon. Okay, let's get started. CanDo color base gel. It's from a 100 yen store, but it's 220 yen. This gel nail is pretty new. They have 3 different colors. This color is sheer pink beige. I'm gonna paint it twice. So I'm doing the second coat. It has a distinctive smell. I don't hate it, but how can I describe it? It smells chemical. Some people might not like it much. It's such a nice pink color. I'm gonna mix 2 gel nails to soften magnetic gel effects. I'm gonna mix Seria's base and top coat and Born Pretty White Cat magnetic gel. It's got pearly silver particles like this. CanDo's magnetic gel Pearl Lily seems to have a very similar shade. I don't have it here, so I'm just assuming. After mixing it well, I'm gonna paint it on the whole nail. It looks like it's got slightly silver veil on it. I'm gonna design the particles with a magnet wand from CanDo. I'm just moving it vertically, sometimes very close to the nail and sometimes about 5 centimeters above, until I get the desired pattern. I'm gonna prepare for French manicure. I use insulation tape from a 100 yen store. I sometimes use it to make French manicure in my past videos. These days though, I'm using double eyelid tapes and proper French manicure guide stickers. Both of them are available at 100 yen stores. Insulation tape is stretchy and you can change smile line curves, and it doesn't cost much. I put tape on plastic and I'm gonna cut it into about 5mm wide strips. Okay, they're done. I'm cleaning uncured gel with ethanol. If you're doing this on your natural nail, you have to avoid the contact with the uncured gel. Wipe it straight like this. I'm putting the tape on the center first, and then put the both ends. Make sure the ends are at the same height. Once it's done, press it well with a silicone pen or something. On your natural nail, you can cut a slit like this. I'm gonna paint base coat. This will help prevent white gel I'm gonna paint later from oozing under the tape. Even if you firmly adhere the tape, sometimes the gel can slowly seep out from underneath. You've got to paint it very thinly. I'm gonna use CanDo white gel nail. It's the most opaque among all the white gel nails sold at 100 yen stores. I'm painting it thinly. It's okay to paint on the tape a little bit, but not too much. I'm gonna do the same thing. The combination of white and yellow makes it look like Donald Duck. Maybe not. I'm gonna remove the tape. I'm not sure if I can do it well. Oh, cool! I've got such a clean smile line. The particles are visible nicely too. I'm gonna paint non-wipe top coat. I'm trying to fill the gap on the smile line. I got these stickers from Temu. Fruity nails seem to be popular this year. I'm gonna finish it with non-wipe top coat. The thumbnail is done. I'm gonna do other nails. I'm gonna paint sheer pink beige on them. I'm painting the mixed magnetic gel on it and designing it with a wand. I'm gonna do French manicure on the pinky and middle and index fingers. I'm putting the tape. Using my fingers is easy actually. I'm painting base gel, white gel, white gel again. And my favorite part, removing the tape. It's so satisfying. I love watching it, don't you? I'm gonna use base and top gel to flatten the surface. I'm gonna decorate the middle finger with a nail sticker after cleaning uncured gel. I'm just gonna paint top coat a little around the sticker area and flash cure it swiftly. I didn't do this on the thumbnail and the sticker peeled a little. Now I can paint the whole nail slowly without worrying about the peeling sticker. I'm gonna do a lemon art with magnetic gel on the ring finger. CanDo lemon yellow. I'm pretty sure it's discontinued. I'm trying to paint a half circle here. What's Mega Art Gel White? I'm gonna paint it inside lemon yellow. I'm using Daiso's flower-shaped magnetic wand, trying not to touch the gel accidentally. What do you think? I tried this many times and this is the best result I got. I'm gonna draw a thin line with Seria Milky White. I wish the radial lines were clearer than this. They look better sometimes depending on the angles. Probably with an orange color, the contrast will be clearer. I'm gonna use Seria mustard. I'm not sure if it's still available in stores. It looks slightly more lemon looking. I'm gonna finish it with top coat. Okay, it's done. I should have painted the lemon outline more round. Well, I tried. Nail art I'm wearing now is blue, so the pink on the nail tips won't show very nicely on my fingers. Anyway, let's see. I still like the slight magnetic gel effects. I could have had a shallower French manicure top and a deeper end. I really like the clear smile lines. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!